Good morning, Cappuccino. It's been a few days since we've had algebra class, so we are going to do some review today. So for our review, we're going to start with a pattern. So notice we have these little upside down V's, and we have 4 steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. So in my table, it says step number, and 1, 2, 3, 4, that's these numbers. And then it says number of matchsticks. What is a matchstick? A matchstick is each individual line, okay? A matchstick is each little line is a matchstick. So if I look at the first step here, how many matchsticks are there? There's 1, 2. There are 2 matchsticks. So we're going to put a 2 right here. Okay, for the next one, for step 2, how many matchsticks are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 matchsticks. And then for the next one, step 3, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, we can probably guess how many are in the 4th one, or you can probably just look at it now that you have the idea. So what's the pattern? What's going on here? There are 8. There are 8. So a couple ways to think about it. One way is I take my step number and I times it by 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. Another way to think about it is I'm adding 2 every time. Plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So what if I now ask, what about step 5? How many would be in step 5? Can you tell me? Yes, there would be 10. There would be 10 in step 5. Okay, now we're going to plot these as points. This is our X, this is our Y. We're going to plot coordinate pairs on my X and Y axes. So this is X, this is Y. And first we need to put numbers on. Now please be very careful. You want to make sure, and I'm going to zoom in so we can see it better, that you are using the lines. See the lines on the graph paper? You want to be using the lines on the graph paper. So this is positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And then to the left are negatives. So the center is 0. That's 0. So this is negative 1, and we're using the lines. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Notice I'm counting the lines. That's where I'm putting my numbers. Okay, and then I'm going up. This is 0. So this is 1, 2, 3, right on the line, right on the line. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know I'm going to have to go up to 10. So let's keep going. Ooh, I almost ran out of room. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I could go down. This is 0. So this is negative 1. Negative 1. The next line is negative 2. The next line is negative 3. The next line is negative 4. Okay, and I could put little arrows to show that I could keep going. I could keep going. All right, now let's plot these points. So the first point is 1 and 2. So I have 1, comma 2. That's the first point. 1, comma 2. The first number is always right or left. Since it's positive, it's to the right. And the second number is always up or down. Since it's positive, it's going to be up. So it's going to be 1 to the right and 2 up. I always start at 0. Start at 0, 1 to the right, and then 2 up. And it's right there. Okay, the next point is going to be this one, 2, comma 4. So I start at 2, and then I go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so remember, the first number is always either right or left, so that's right 2, and then up 4. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's that point right there. Okay, the next point, 3, comma 6. It's to the right, and then up. So I start at 0, 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3, and then up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's right there. Okay, the next one, 4 and 8. So 4 to the right, and then 8 up. So here's 0, 4, and then up 8. That would be right there. And the last one, I just did 4, 8. The last one is 5, 10. 5, 10. So that's going to be 5 to the right and 10 up. So 5 to the right and then up 10. Okay, is this linear? Is this relationship linear or is it nonlinear? So if I take my ruler, does it hit all the points? Could I make a line? Yes, I could make a line. The dots form a line, a straight line. So is it linear or nonlinear? It is linear. Okay? So the only other thing that's going to happen in math space today is they're going to ask you about quadrants. So if a point is on the graph, what quadrant is that point? So just to review the quadrants, this, where everything's positive, this is called the first quadrant. This one is called the second quadrant. So we're going this way. We move to the left. First, second, third, and fourth. So notice all of our points for this pattern were in the first quadrant. Okay, so now you're going to go and do math space. You're going to do math space number 21. And today's meeting, we have our Tuesday and Thursday meetings. Today's meeting is going to be at 11. So Zoom meeting at 11 a.m. today. Okay, Zoom meeting at 11 a.m. today because Mr. Alvarez and I have another meeting at 12 o'clock. So our Zoom meeting today is going to be at 11. So hope to see you there, and happy Tuesday. All right, good luck. Come and see us at Zoom. Bye-bye.